In this short video, it'll show you how to change background color in Photoshop, create new background, use the rectangle tool to draw a shape over the entire image. This shape will serve as the new background. Set color, go to the fill option, and choose a desired color. The color of the background is now easily editable. Reorder layers drag the new rectangle layer behind the photo layer in the Layers panel. This ensures the color is underneath the subject. Select Subject, select the original photo layer, choose the Object Selection tool and hover over the subject to select it. This quickly isolates the foreground object. Refine optional use. The Quick Selection tool or hold Alt Option to add or remove parts of the selection if necessary, for fine-tuning the selection edge. Duplicate subject, press Command J Mac or Control J PC. This copies the selected subject onto a brand new layer. Finalize. Delete the original photo layer. The new subject layer sits atop the solid color background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.